Okay, so with self-graphing, what you're going to do is you're going to help your students become more motivated and encouraged by their progress by teaching them to self-graph their results as they go on. So you could use this really with any age group or for any topic or purpose that you want. But this is usually going to work best with math fluency. So for my students, if I teach ninth grade algebra, one of the things they struggle with the most is operations with integers. So what I would be doing is doing a mini lesson maybe once or twice a week where we would practice with integers, and then I would have them um, do a progress monitoring check where I'd give them, say, 10 minutes. They'd have basic skills laid out in front of them, basic problems, and they would go through and work each of those problems. They would check it themselves, and then they'd have a sheet of graph paper where they would track exactly how many problems they got right within that amount of time. So they're able to see their progress as it changes over a period of time.